pulls it right out. Okay, the problem is, you get all these little frickin' pieces. But these smaller ones, you'll have to see. You know, you may not think they're not as fishy.
Look at all the corn. You there? Yeah, how's my girl? We're watching all of our fish get cleaned. Up by the marina. We caught 31. Yeah. And, John says we could have done better. He's the captain, but I'm pretty pleased. Me and James and Scott. Yeah. So can I call you in a bit? Where's your mom? I thought you guys were hanging out for a little while today. Earlier? Oh, okay. Okay.
Corn.
Alrighty.
Where's the corn? There's the corn. Delicious. Look at all that corn.
Fish and diblets.
Yep.
Oh, gorging on it, weren't they? Yep.